ever wondered how your gut health relates to weight management, you're not alone. It's a common question, and the answer isn't always easy to find in the noise of today's information age. If you're interested in learning about the role of your gut health in maintaining a healthy weight, specifically from a trusted healthcare professional, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to talk about the science behind gut health and obesity. We'll go through the evidence and provide you with practical insights that you can implement in your journey towards a better health. Gut health refers to the well-being of your gastrointestinal system, specifically your stomach and your intestines. It's not just about digestion, but it also plays a role in various aspects of your health, including your weight. At the heart of gut health is the gut microbiome, a community of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, living in your own digestive tract. Did you know that we have more gut bacteria than actual human cells in our body? These tiny residents perform essential functions like helping you digest food and influencing your overall health. A healthy gut can help regulate your body weight in several ways. It affects how your body absorbs nutrients, regulates appetite, and even influences your metabolism. Did you know that the composition of bacteria residing in your gut can significantly impact your weight and metabolism? It's really fascinating. The two most common types of gut bacteria, Bacteroides and Firmicutes, make up 92% of our gut flora. Why is this interesting to know? So people who maintain a leaner physique often have a higher level of Bacteroides and a lower level of Firmicutes. The contrary is also true. People who often deal with obesity tend to exhibit the opposite pattern. Here's something even cooler. When you embark on a weight loss journey, the balance of your gut bacteria can shift. This transformation results in an increase in Bacteroides and a decrease in Firmicutes. Now, why is this microbiome makeover significant? Some gut bacteria possess the remarkable ability to break down previously indigestible components of food and enhancing calorie absorption. It's pretty cool, right? This underlines that it's not just about the food you eat, but also about the health of your gut in the grand scheme of weight management and overall well-being. So you've probably heard of probiotics and prebiotics, but what exactly are they and how can they benefit your gut health and weight management? Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that you can introduce into your gut through certain foods and supplements. Probiotics can help maintain a healthy gut environment, supporting digestion and even boost your immune system. But can they help with weight management? Research suggests that certain strains of probiotics may play a role in weight management by influencing factors like appetite and fat storage. However, it's not a magic solution and more studies are needed. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers found in certain foods that provide nourishment to the friendly bacteria in your gut. Prebiotics essentially serve as food for the probiotics and support their growth. They're found in foods like bananas, onions, and garlic. Studies suggest that a diet rich in prebiotic foods may help with weight management by promoting a healthier gut microbiome, which can in turn influence your metabolism and appetite. Now that we've explored the role of gut health in weight management, let's discuss practical tips for improving your gut health. Incorporating a variety of fiber-rich foods into your diet, like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. These foods are packed with prebiotics. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi in your diet to support the growth of beneficial bacteria. Drinking plenty of water is essential for a healthy gut because it helps maintain the mucosal lining of the intestines. High stress levels can impact your gut health as well. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and exercise can help reduce stress. So, I hope you have a better understanding as to why and how your gut health plays a significant role in weight management. Probiotics and prebiotics are valuable tools to support your gut microbiome, but they are just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, physical activity, and overall healthy lifestyle are essential for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. But remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet and lifestyle. Your health is a priority, and we're here to provide you with evidence-based information to help you on your journey to a better health. Comment the word gut if you want to learn more about your gut health.